Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we explore how to combine frame mask with layer styles for unique designs. Open a new document and create frames using the frame tool for your images. Drag your photos into the frames. Photoshop automatically clips them. Double-click inside frames to adjust positioning and scale, ensuring the composition looks balanced. Now, select a frame layer and apply layer styles like drop shadow, stroke, bevel, or gradient overlay. Notice how the effects stay linked to the frame and adapt if the image inside changes. You can duplicate frames and apply different styles for variety.